Hey Psych2Goers, welcome back to our channel. When you're intrigued by someone, it's natural to wonder whether they feel the same way about you. After all, if you were certain that they liked you, making an advance would be far less daunting. While you won't know how someone feels until they say it, experts claim there are a number of signals of mutual attraction that can clue you into whether you've got a chance with this person. Let's face it, people say a lot of weird and wonderful things, especially when they're interested in you. So let's look at 7 things people say when they like you. We hope that you can feel confident that you are on the right track and your feelings are reciprocated. Number 1, I was wondering if you'd like to join me. Has anyone ever said this phrase to you? This is a classic example of someone who likes you asking you out on a date. When they're being forward with this phrase, it could mean there won't be any confusion as to whether they're interested in just friendship or if it's a date. So if they ask you this, it's game on. Number 2, are you busy or free tonight? Has anyone ever asked you this question? This is an easy question that leaves little to chance when someone likes you. They want to know if they have your company for the evening, in case they need it, and whether you would like to be in it. Number 3, I was wondering if I could get your opinion on something. People who like you will want to view your opinion on a subject they care about or that interests them. So if someone wants your input and they aren't trying to catch you out, then it's likely because they value what you think and feel. This is definitely a positive sign of interest. Number 4, can I have your number or email? This is the direct way to ask for your contact details, as they wish to engage and communicate with you on a habitual basis. If someone asks for these from you, it could mean that they're interested in getting to know you better, either as a friend or more. So when you receive this question, you may respond to them wisely, as your decision to give them your contact details is in your hands. Number 5, I feel like I can be myself around you. When someone likes you, they will feel at ease in your company. There's less awkwardness or tension when they're with you, which makes them enjoy spending time with you. If someone feels relaxed when they're with you, then it means that they're being themselves and enjoy the positive conversations and time together, which makes them want more of these experiences. Number 6, I want to get to know more about you. Do you want to get to know more about them? They certainly want to know about you. People who like each other tend to find out everything about one another, including talking about their past relationships, childhood experiences, and family life. If someone brings up these topics, then it means they're interested in getting to know more than just your name and what job you do for a living. Don't be surprised if they want to know what you had for breakfast yesterday. And number 7, you're always on my mind. This is a sweet way of someone letting you know that they've been thinking about you even when you aren't with them. When you hear phrases like this from someone who likes being around you, it means that they're interested in getting to know more about your thoughts and musings, as well as the experiences you share together and your feelings for them. When you like someone, you will always want to know more about them and spend as much time with them as possible. And in return, you wish for them to feel the same. So when you notice these signs in the attraction process, there's a strong chance that you can strengthen this relationship to the next level. Whether they say these things to your face or behind your back. If a person is interested in getting to know you better, then it's a good idea for you to start learning how to respond to them. Do you know of any other ways to tell what someone would say if they liked you? Leave it in our comment section below and share it with others. Please like and share this video if it helped you or you think it could help someone else. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell icon for more cyclical videos. Thanks for watching.